Good morning guys, in front of me is iPhone 15 Pro Max and let me show you how to reduce loud sounds on headphones. First of all, open the settings, then find and select sounds and haptics. Here scroll all the way down and enter headphone safety. And here you will notice reduce loud sounds feature. Just mark the switcher, then manage the decibels. Here you've got also the description, so the lowest level is as loud as a vacuum cleaner, then the second one is a noisy restaurant, then heavy city traffic, motorcycle, car horn, and then ambulance. So just pick the option that you prefer, and that's it. This is how you can set it up. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.